Welcome to Jumpstart Activity Time. My name is Darlene, and today we'll be doing the activity Sink or Float. This week we're reading about Jabari and Jabari Jumps. At first, Jabari was really scared to jump to the water, but when he eventually does, Jabari makes a big splash. Let's see where Jabari goes. Jabari goes down, down, down. That means Jabari didn't float, Jabari sunk. Do you know the difference between sinking and floating? I'll tell you. Sinking is when something drops below the water, and floating is when something stays above the water. We'll be practicing this in a later activity. Come with me. Hello guys, this is the next part of our activity of sink or float. We're going to see if the objects I have here are going to sink or float in this huge bowl of water that I have here. So these are some of the objects that we have. We have a pretty heavy cup, a mask, a glass baby angel, and a piece of paper. We're going to be dropping them in and seeing if they sink or float. Let's do it. So we're going to start with our glass angel. We're going to drop it in. As you saw, the glass angel sunk to the bottom of the bowl. That's because the glass angel was pretty heavy. Let's see what happened to the piece of paper. As you saw, the paper floated because it's pretty light, so it stayed towards the surface of the water. Let's see what happens to the mask. The mask floated. Did you get it right? Because the mask is pretty light, the mask stayed towards the surface of the water. I have the glass cup. I'm going to drop it into the water and see if it sinks or floats. Here's a pro tip. If it's pretty heavy, then the object is more likely to sink. What do you think happens? Let's see. The glass cup sank because it's pretty heavy, so it sank to the bottom of the bowl. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It's the end of our activity, but I look forward to seeing you again. Bye!